How did I 5x AGIX during the last 6 months? We're going to jump into the charts and take a look at this one simple strategy that you can start doing today to get these results and even more. What's going on, my free thinking rebels? Welcome again to my YouTube channel. My name is stephansubero. I am the Holistic Growth Mentor. And look, we are going to look at the one strategy that I recommend every single one of you needs to learn, Fibonacci. Once you understand this, you can really take your game to the next level. If you want to dive a bit deeper into Fibonacci, I'll drop a video right up here, $5,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin strategy using the Fibonacci as well. So yeah, let's jump in. And guys, if you like this content, please take a minute, smash that subscribe button, drop me a comment right now. Let me know where you are on your crypto journey and what would you like to learn? What do you want to see? How do you want to progress? I'd love to hear your comments down below. Super simple. First off, I didn't even get into AGIX early enough. I only got into AGIX somewhere at the end of 2023. If I had gotten earlier, that 5x I did would have potentially been more like a 24x. But hey, you can't get them all, right? Now, super simple, right? When you establish these fibs and you figure out and you understand where these perfect take profit zones are, and it's basically what the fib allows you to do. It allows you to establish where are the most likely areas of future price action. This happens because all traders are looking at the fibs. So as an individual, if you get in early enough and you just have an exit strategy in place, you'll be able to make profits as well. Super simple. You need to establish a previous all-time high. You need to establish the market bottom. This is going to give you a big picture of what this project coin can potentially do. Once you do that, you use your Fibonacci's to establish your targets. Now, I've established a very simple exit strategy utilizing the golden pocket, all-time high, golden ratio, and then some other targets for taking profits. Now, as a beginner, if you're getting into it, I highly recommend just looking at the golden pocket, the all-time high, and the golden ratio as your main targets for taking profits along the way. You can never determine where the top is going to be, so do not try to do that. Just have exits in place based on a solid strategy and then get out when you can. You can see right here, I was able to establish a local bottom just by seeing the pullback that we had when I was first looking at AGIX. Again, massive AI token has done extremely well during this bull market, and I think it's going to continue doing very well. So this was about a 50% pullback. We also had some really good confluence of price action here, and here, and also here. So in my mind, I'm like, you know what? Yes, there is a potential the coin can drop even more, right? But this is what risk management is all about. My downside potential was only 46%. And then the upside, just to the golden pocket at that stage was almost a 2x. To the all-time high was a 3.5. And then the initial target that I had placed for myself was going to be, which is actually right here, was the 5.35x return. Now, you establish this. This is something that a lot of people don't do. You buy a coin because you hear it on a YouTube channel, somebody's hyping it up, and you just jump in, ape in, buy the coin, but you have no idea what the potential of this coin has in the market. Now, don't get me wrong, Fibonacci is not the only thing you want to look at, but if you do look at one thing, make sure you look at this. Now, at this stage, entered the trade, and then you just sit back. You set your exits, right? Golden pocket, whichever you decide, all-time high and or the golden ratio. And then you just sit back, allow the market to do what it has to do. This strategy is completely stress-free. You don't really need to be checking charts every single day. Yes, you can set some alerts to get notified as the market evolves and as the market changes. Then you just set your sell limit order on whichever platform you use for trading and just wait for it to happen. And look, I've been making these calls for our private community members since, I guess, the middle of 2023. And we can see some of the examples. FET, which is FET, also a very good AI project. This was an 8.4x trade from the entry to the golden ratio. Render token, absolutely crushing it, 7x. So what is it that you need to do? Well, you need to educate yourself. You need to figure out how you're going to be doing this. It does not have to be complicated. You just need to get the right skill set, the right mindset, and surround yourself with the right community. So look, if this is something that you really, really want to dive in deeper and learn about, and also get access to a lot of other hands-off strategies that we offer, take a minute, use the link in the description. Let's book in a 30-minute strategy session, and let's see how we could potentially help you achieve your goals. Look, that's all I got for you, my free thinkers. I'll see you in the next video. Stephan out.